going to discuss about the second part. So that is the cap. So the cap, it is the again same like as the front view. So from this I'm going to draw the only the particular this front view. Based on that we can extend over that. Go over here, select a solid part. So protrusion from front plane, go to here, select the option is called. So first I'm going to make it as a from here to this 19 mm circle, radius circle, and the next one would be the 36 mm circle over there. Okay, select a circle option. So from here to radius 19 mm circle, enter. Again I'm going to select a circle. So from here to 36 radius 36 mm circle. So radius 19 and 36 mm circle has to be created over here. Then from this middle to above 6 mm this line comes up to the 44 mm distance. That means from middle to 22 mm distance. So go to here, select a line. So from here to what is the distance? 6 mm distance height and 22 mm. So total is 40. So 22 mm length. Okay. So after drawing this, then height is 12 mm. So that 12 mm I'm going to create over here. 12 mm towards right side. Again towards right side, what is the distance from here to this is the thing they given as a radius 43 over here. So from here to 43 mm distance. Okay, so 43 means already we are drawn up to like so this distance is 11 mm, so 22 mm. So 43 minus 22, the remaining is 21 mm. 21 mm. Then again height 10 mm. 10 mm. I'm going to move towards inside the circle. So after that, this particular thing I'm going to mirror based on the middle axis. After done, going to select the trim option. So this is a circle not required, even this also not required. These two lines never required, even this point. Okay, so then this is the line and this is the line, this is the circle going to trim. Then this is the line I'm going to delete. Okay, this is the point I deleted. Then I'm going to give return. So now as usual, symmetric extend. So what is the depth? So the depth 36 H7. H7 is recording for the tolerance value, so no need to worry. So I'm going to give depth as 36. Left and right click. Okay, so once if we completed this, I am going to save as this is the cap and save the file. So after save this, no matter all the other things how to do, this hole has to be created and this is the circle I want to create it. After that middle this hole has to be created. Okay, so for this what are all the points I have to remember? Select revolved cutout, same like the previous last mid hole we have created, no, same like this is. I am going to select mid plane, select a line from here to what is the distance from here to 5 6 and bottom is pi 3 up to 10 mm distance. Okay, so go over here. Pi 6 means 3 mm, 10 mm distance, 10 mm, enter, and from here to, so this one, this is the 10 mm distance already we have mentioned, so you can do it over in somewhere in the middle, 1.5, because 3 mm diameter I'm going to make towards up. Then from here to 45 degree, so from towards here going to give 225, going to close. Use of trim option, this is the line, as well as this I'm going to trim it. Okay, then select a line. So from here to, this is the thing I'm going to do. Select axis of revolution as this. I'm going to give return option, give as a 360, left and right click is this. So this is the thing, this will be used for the oil should be supplied towards to the shaft. Okay, so plumber block, it is used to connect the support the shafts. Okay, so the bearing shaft is the rotating device, so it will be create the friction. To reduce the friction, the oil will be supplied over towards here. So for that, this oil has to be used over here. So save. So after save this, then the remaining things and all almost easy. The see over here, this is the outer one, it will be a circle, no? So same as previous one. Body part, go to here, select cutout option, in the top select give us a fit from the middle to, I'm going to give a 43 mm radius, 43 mm radius, and select again circle more than this circle as well as this edge, this corner. So that is the thing. You have written towards down, left and right click, again you can save. Okay, then this hole, that hole has a 2 holes by 10.5 mm distance. So the 2 holes by 10.5 mm means so having with the 62 mm distance, go to cutout, stop. So give fit, select a line from mid to 31 mm from this end, and again 62 mm from here. Select a circle from here to 10.5 mm distance, and again going to keep over there. So select a trim. So even this line, this is the one more line, I'm going to trim it. So after that, give return towards down. So those things also created. One more point, this is the curve. So see over here. So that means here the edge, this is the edge you can see over here, but the thing is in this area it will be empty because the section is this one. So on those area here the nothing is there, only the edge, this curved edge you can see over here, that is they are showing. Okay, so how to create these things, go to here, select cutout, this particular top, select a circle option, from here to, what is the diameter, they give one here radius 12. So going to give tab radius 12 and other side fit. So the same center point 12 mm and give return towards up, left and right click and rotate, and we'll see. So like this way we have to create this particular portion. going to save. So almost this second portion has to also created over here. Almost all the parts we have to be created over here. Okay, so this I'm going to save and close it. So the remaining thing we will see in the next video.